Coach Innocent Simiyu has gone for experience as the National Sevens rugby team seeks to cross the 100-point mark in a season as the rugby series concludes with the London and Paris legs. This as the National 15s team as well as the National Sevens women's squad have both opted to give a chance to new players in their respective upcoming international matches.
The National Sevens rugby team coach, Innocent Simiyu, has called up long-term absentees Oscar Ayodi as well as Dennis Ombachi to bolster the Shujaa squad ahead of the London and Paris legs of the World Rugby Series. Oscar Uma will miss the tour due to personal commitments. Samuel H is injured while Daniel Sikuta is off on compassionate leave. Kenya sits 6th on the overall log with 93 points, and for Namco's, consistency is key.
Key focus is just to get the sharpness, hit our standards early in terms of performance, and hopefully we can get the results that we want.
Meanwhile, 5 players are poised to make their debuts for the National 15s rugby team, Kenya Simbas. This follows Coach Ian Snook naming a 23-man squad to do battle for Kenya Simbas against ARC rivals Uganda in the Elgon Cup on Saturday in Kampala. The 5 are Xavier Bet, Malcolm Onsando, Patrick Ouko, Joseph Odero and Andrew Chogo. The Simbas will feature in the Rugby Africa Gold Cup, which serves as the qualifiers for the 2019 Rugby World Cup in Japan.
It was proved when we went to the camp at Nanyuki, and the weekend we had 2 sessions with the British Army, and the PT instructor there complimented the
National Women's Rugby team, Kenya Leonesses squad that will play in the 2018 Africa Cup Sevens in Botswana this weekend was also named. Coach Kevin Wambua has named newbies Priska Nyerere, Diana Awino, Sophia Ayeta and Sarah Oluche. Aside from the action on the pitch, funding remains a cause for concern for Kenyan rugby, whose sponsor, SportPesa, pulled out.
This is purely on performance, especially during our training volumes. These girls have shown growth in the training and the setup, and they've been in the setup for quite some time now.
The trip to South Africa is pretty less confirmed. The government has already released the tickets for the team to travel to even Uganda and the South African trip, and basically all we are waiting is for now for the other funds to be released to facilitate the stay, and which are looking at most maybe by next week or the week thereafter.